Good Saturday morning, everybody. It is August 19th. This is Bob Iacchino from Path Trading Partners, along with the voice of Mike Arnold. The reason I say the voice of Mike Arnold is because Mike sent me this analysis last night, and I had some issues and could not get it rendered to put up on YouTube. So unfortunately, the screens you're going to see, the charts you're going to see are last night's data, but it's relevant because, again, these are educational videos. We're not trying to give you timely trade signals at this point. We're just trying to show you the way that we would do analysis on existing data. So we're going to see price action on the charts that looks funny, and that is because it is last night's price action, late yesterday afternoon or so. So Mike did his analysis. We'll do a quick follow-up to talk about the moves that we saw since then, and you'll see how Mike's analysis applied and how the moves played out. So having said that, here is Mike's recording.
Thank you very much, Bob. Beginning questions today. Bitcoin Cash. How do we trade it? What's going on with it? So, you can see here was a spin-off when it broke away from Bitcoin. And then it traded down. And then it sat in a nice long horizontal channel. This, is, by the way, is a 240-minute chart or a 4-hour chart. What we were watching for was a break out either way from this channel, which we finally got up. You can see the upper end. This is prior resistance becoming support. And we have some price projections still higher for everybody, but let me show you how you could have traded this, especially when you get these big moves out of the channel. Let me switch to a 1-hour chart. So here's our 1-hour chart. You can see the black line that was the top of that horizontal channel, which was also prior resistance becoming support. Broke out, nice big power move above it. What do you watch for? We watch for, the rising rotation zone catching up and a return and a retest of that prior resistance becoming support, which it retested. Then we have the concept 8 pushing the price, moved up, hit a bunch of targets, pulled back to the 1-hour rotation zone, with 8 pushing the price on the 4-hour, gave another set of entry. You could have done a trend line entry. This was another mini horizontal channel. You could have waited for it to break above that and then move higher. Now, it can pull back again to the rotation zone. This black line up here is up at the prior high. That was when it just broke off. Would not be surprised to see it pull back, somewhat come into the rotation zone again and retest this level. And then if it turns back up, it could make another push higher. Here are some key levels. We have a retracement from this low to this high projected from here. Here's the full retracement. This would be a full measured move up at 732. We also have Gambox retracements from this last low to the last swing high. So that gives us a first projection of 736. So next target, 732 to 736. Then we can start watching for 767, then 798, which is essentially right in front of the 800 level, which will be probably, again, remember those round numbers, somewhere around there. People like to take some profits and look at that. And then if we complete eventually a full Gann box, that would take us up to 954. So those are some targets for anybody who's trading Bitcoin Cash. Doesn't mean it has to keep going higher. We're going to watch for another rotation from the rotation zone and then a move back higher. That's all we have for you on this quick Bitcoin Cash update. Back to you, Bob.
Thank you, Michael's voice, and thank you guys for watching. Please hit like and subscribe. Again, there'll be a quick follow-up going up soon, so watch for that. And if you're in front of your computer, you just watch them both in succession, and it'll probably make a lot of sense. Check out our videos on price action analysis. We've got 2 R-zone ones, which you've heard Mike mention, 3 trendline videos, and 2 moving average videos. All of those apply in the analysis that Mike just did and what we're going to do in the follow-up. Again, please hit like and subscribe, and we'll talk to you in the next Path Chat. Cheers.